Hello, and welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I bring you a viewer requested video. Somebody asked me to show you guys how to work the radio on the ART+SOUND wireless tube speaker. Now, if you guys remember from our unboxing video, which should again literally be right up here, and I think this is a wireless Bluetooth speaker that is available at Big Lots. It's available from Instacart, a few other grocery retailers. This is not a speaker you're gonna get in an electronics store, okay? This is pretty bottom of the barrel. But anyway, it's a very fun speaker. It is really fun. It is really colorful.
Power on.
Look at that. It talks to you. It has a really great
Bluetooth
voice.
mode.
It lets you know it's in Bluetooth mode. So it's a beautiful little speaker. Not the loudest thing in the world, obviously. And you guys can see it's beautifully illuminated, beautifully colored, and it has these nice buttons at the top. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it around. So now, these buttons up at the top, obviously you guys should already be pretty familiar with them. If you're not already, here they are. So now this is going to be mode M. This is going to be the minus button for either skipping backwards on the track, lowering the volume, or going back to the previous available station if you happen to be in FM or radio mode. Now the middle one is going to be your power button. If you hold it, obviously it's going to power off. If you hold it, if it's already powered off, it's going to power on. This button right here is a Bluetooth pairing button. You're going to press that whenever you want to refresh the connection and pair it to a brand new Bluetooth device. Now continuing on the buttons, we have the volume up / forward skip button that is obviously used to turning up the volume and is going to be used for skipping forward in tracks. And it is also actually going to be used for going forward to the next station in FM or radio mode. And then now finally, I believe this is the play / scan button. And this is going to allow you to scan through stations while you are in radio or FM mode. Now that we are in Bluetooth mode and it's powered on, let's go ahead and press the M button to switch over to the FM mode.
FM mode.
And let's turn it down.
312-274-9624.
So when you are in FM mode, you're gonna have to hold the volume down button in order for it to lower the volume. And inversely, you're gonna have to hold the volume up button to turn up the volume. Right? So, but once you're on FM mode, if you tap the skip or if you tap volume up, it's gonna take you to the next station. And again, we tap volume down or skip backwards, it's gonna take us to the previous station where we were previously at. So now I'm skipping so that, the YouTube algorithm doesn't catch it for copyrighted songs. Now what I noticed was I thought that by pressing forward 1, it was gonna take you like on your normal radio does. Like let's say you're on 101.1, if you press 1, it's gonna take you to 101.2. It looks like that's not the case here. That would just take forever. You'd be constantly clicking nonstop through this. What I believe it does is that it goes to the next station that is available or the next station that comes through clearly. For example, I know that's not very clear, but that's the next station that comes through. One more time. That's the next station that comes through. It's not very good. One more time. Not very good. One more time. We have something coming through. Some Spanish TV, some Spanish radio. Yeah, talking about Melrose Park. So yeah, we have something coming through. We're gonna click one more time. We got some sort of country stuff coming on, right? Click one more time. That's silence. So it looks like this isn't the best FM device, especially if you're in an enclosed room such as myself, surrounded by steel doors. Probably it's gonna be really good by a window. Fortunately, I'm not getting too much use out of it.
Bluetooth mode.
So I was hoping that by putting it near a window, it would make a huge difference when it came to the radio playing capabilities of this device. It looks like they were improved slightly, but not that much. Take a listen. If we turn up the volume a little bit, now we're gonna go ahead and cycle through the stations by pressing the volume up. So we got a standard station coming through.
More information is at Fellowship Home Loans.
And in English one, it's Christian radio. static, more static, more static, more static, more static, and we're back to the Spanish station. So it looks like all we have is Spanish and gospel. And I'm not sure how to feel about that, but that's the extent of the FM playing capabilities of this device, at least in my area, and by a window. And I think I have my idea for my next video regarding this thing. I think next video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to work it to get music playing out of the SD card slot or out of the USB stick slot, which should be pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments what you liked about this, what you didn't like about this. Let me know what other videos you'd like for me to talk about, what other topics you'd like for me to go over. As you guys saw, I may not always get to it. I may not always do it, but if you guys leave me something to do, I will definitely get to it as quickly as I can. Make sure to be subscribed so you can be entered in the giveaway for this Alcatel Joy Tab 2 tab. And as always, you guys already know, thanks for watching.